The first question is, which of these musicians is a member of the Rolling Stones? The correct answer is D, Mick Jagger. Question 2. Australia, the Bahamas, Singapore, and the United States all use what form of paper currency? The correct answer is D, the dollar. Question 3. Torald Sollmann tried to find an antidote to what horrific gas by spraying himself with it? The correct answer is C, mustard gas. Question 4. The word danke means thanks in what country's language? The correct answer is B, Germany. Question 5. Lunch makes day go faster. The correct answer is D, late. Question 6. Which of the following is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world? The correct answer is B, the Great Pyramid of Giza. Question 7. Which American aircraft had the nickname Stratofortress? The correct answer is A, B-52. Question 8. Why was December 13, 2003 an important day for Iraq and the U.S.? The correct answer is B, Saddam Hussein captured. Question 9. What country won the World Cup in 1958 with a score of 5-2? The correct answer is B, Brazil. And the last question is, what have cats in China successfully predicted for years? The correct answer is B, earthquakes. I hope you enjoyed this quiz, and make sure to share your score in the comments.
Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified about our newest quizzes.